welcome back to the last week of paper scavenger hunt at home. For this week, our final project, we're going to be making leaf prints. You're going to go outside and go look for some leaves that are different colors, sizes, and shapes. Let's get started. Alright everyone, so the materials you're going to need are paper, paint, paintbrushes, and a cup of water. I am going to be using a paper plate as my base, or I am going to be squirting my paint on. You can use anything else you have at home, a piece of cardboard, or anything like that. And don't forget your leaves. Alrighty, so here I have my leaves with me now on the table, along with my paintbrushes, and I'm going to be showing you guys the leaves I got. So I have two brown ones that are kind of big, and a green one that's small. My brother and I found them while we were walking. So the paint colors I'm going to be using are red, blue, orange, pink, and green. And my paper plate is where I'm going to be putting my paint. So remember, you can use anything you have at home that's useful for you. Alrighty, so I have my paint, here it is, I have it in my paper plate, I have orange, pink, blue, and red. Alrighty, so I have these two different type of brushes. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the one with the black top, and choose the leaf that you're going to be working with first. I'm going to be working with the big one, the biggest one. So you need a sheet of paper. Alright, so my paper sheet is completely white and clean, but you can use an old homework or a recycled old piece of paper. Alright, let's get these paints out of the way so we can have more space for painting. And I'm going to be scooting my paper plate to the side a little. Alright, so I'm going to be working with my biggest leaf for the first one. And I am going to be working again with the black paintbrush. So the first color I am going to be using is pink. So let's go ahead and dip it in there. Alright, so we are going to be painting the leaf, and it's very important to try to really get the details, all the lines. Leaves are very beautifully made. They have a lot of details and a lot of lines. So go ahead and try to get the paint in all of those lines, all of those little details. So when you press down on your paper, they can all be shown through the paint. Alrighty, so now that our leaf is ready to go, let's go ahead, get our piece of paper ready, and press your leaf down onto the paper. Start by the top and go down slowly to the bottom. Go ahead and press it very, very strong to get all that paint onto the paper. Hold and hold. Okay, now lift it, and there you go! That is your first leaf print. This is how it looks. I think it looks really pretty, and I'm actually going to give it some more detail. You can go ahead and even get your paintbrush and add different colors onto it, but I'm going to go ahead and make a line right in the middle so it can have a little bit of more of a shape, and I'm going to do the outline as well. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with our second leaf. I am going to be using the other paintbrush now, so I'm going to go ahead and put the black paintbrush in the water. Alright, so this is the paintbrush we're going to be working with now. And now I'm going to be using my small leaf, and I'm going to get some red paint and put it onto my small leaf. Now that my leaf is ready to go, oh wait, it still has a little spot there that does not have paint. So let me put some paint. Oh, it fell. Sorry guys. Let me put some paint on there to make sure it is all completely covered with paint. That's very important. Okay, so now that it's completely done, I am going to go ahead and press it again down onto our paper. Choose the spot you want to put it on. I'm going to put it right here at the top. and press it down. Alright, now I'm going to lift it off, and there we go. There is our leaf. I think it looks really cute. It's small, and the color works really well with the pink. Alright, so for our last leaf, I'm going to be using this one. It's a little bit broken to the side, but I think it'll come out really well with the paint. And we're experimenting. Remember, we're using different sizes, shapes, and all of that. So I'm using the black brush again, and I'm going to paint this leaf orange. Alright, so I'm done painting it orange, and I think I actually want to add another color. I'm going to add some blue to my leaf, and you can do this too. You can experiment with putting more colors or painting it like a rainbow and see how it turns out on your paper. Do some colors pop out more or not? Okay, so now that my leaf is ready, again I'm going to press it down, and make sure that you press it down with a lot of strength so all the paint can go down onto our paper. Press, 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 almost done. Okay, now let's lift it off, and there we go. That's how it looks. We can see the blue and we can see the orange. You can see how the lines come out, and I did not get a lot of the detail around the sides at the top, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my own lines with paint, and I'm gonna design them how I would like them. I'm gonna go ahead and just do them. And remember, this is all about having fun, trying new things, experimenting, and it's okay if it doesn't turn out perfect. That is alright. We're learning along the way, and you know what? It's really great because you could go ahead and put the detail that you would like on your own leaf. Make it your personal leaf. Give it some personal touches. If you like pink, then make your leaf pink. If you like blue and pink, go ahead and mix it up a little. So here's how my leaf looks, and I think it turned out really cool. I really like it. The colors look really great, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip my other green leaf again into blue. And I did put a lot of paint on it, so I don't want just a big blob of paint, so I'm gonna wipe it up on the paper plate a little more. Alright, and I'm gonna add some orange. Let's see how that looks. So remember, it's all about experimenting. I'm gonna head and press it down there. Again, press, press, press. And let's see how it looks. Lift it off. There we go. I think it looks really cool. Again, we kind of made a brownish color. Okay guys, this is the final product. I think they turned out really cool, and the leaves themselves look really pretty with the paint. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this project, and remember, it's all about experimenting, having fun, and be creative. See you next week!